Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to dodge Godrick fire. First, always try to keep a medium distance from Godrick. This gives you enough space to see his attacks coming and react in time. Pay close attention to his dragon head arm. It's a key indicator for his fire breath. Staying locked onto him helps you track his movements, which is crucial for anticipating his next move. When Godrick begins to raise his dragon head arm, that's your signal for his fire breath attack. The best strategy here is to roll directly towards him and slightly to his side. This move allows you to pass through the initial cone of fire, placing you safely behind or to the side of the attack. Timing is key, so practice recognizing that wind-up. Godrick also has a powerful fire slam attack where he brings his axe down, causing an explosion of flames around him. For this, you have two main options. Either roll backwards to create distance from the blast, or, if you're feeling confident, roll directly through the explosion as it happens. Both methods can keep you safe, but rolling through might give you a brief window to counterattack. Remember, stamina management is vital throughout this fight. Each dodge consumes stamina, so don't overcommit to attacks if it leaves you vulnerable. Your rolls provide brief invincibility frames, so timing your dodge perfectly is more important than just rolling wildly. Finally, only attempt to heal when Godrick is in a recovery animation after one of his big attacks, ensuring you have a safe window.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.